Hey guys, it's Ellie. So I'm back. I'm so sorry if that intro was really awkward. I'm not even really sure how to film an intro anymore. Ooh. So as you guys may have noticed, I've been gone on YouTube for a really long time now. I want to say it's over a year, and I'm not even sure who's going to be watching, if anyone's going to be watching this, or if anyone cares. Some of you may have forgotten you were even subscribed to me, and once you see this video, you might unsubscribe. But that's totally okay. I have just really missed YouTube, and I could sit here and tell you guys a million reasons why I left, but I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing my excuses. So instead, I am just going to tell you guys what I plan. What's my plan for YouTube? So basically, I want to say a few weeks ago, I was just on YouTube and I was watching my old vlogs, and it made me realize how much I missed vlogging. And it was just so amazing to be able to, go on my YouTube page and click on some videos, and I would have, a visual memory, I guess, of what I was doing, like that specific time, or years back. And I was just like, that is so amazing that I can look back at like a trip that I filmed or what I was doing this day, and it just reminded me of how much I actually enjoyed being on here. And I used to feel really self-conscious about posting videos, and I still do, I'll be honest with you guys. And that is one of the reasons why I stopped filming videos, just because I would get very self-conscious if people I knew in real life would watch my videos. And I know that might sound really weird. That could be a video in itself, but just for me, I just felt awkward when people I knew were watching my videos. But you know what? I realized that I wasn't gonna let being self-conscious stop me from doing what I really enjoyed and being back on here. So I decided that I wanted to come back. And obviously I still do feel a little bit nervous of posting videos and being afraid that people I know will watch this. And that's not me being like, oh, I'm gonna, be so famous here that people I know will watch me. I am secretly actually thinking in the back of my mind, I hope people I know don't watch me, because then that's just really awkward. But I am preparing myself mentally that it is a possibility. Yeah, I don't know, does that make sense? Anyways, like I said, it could be a video in itself, so I'm not gonna blabber about that much longer. But the main reason why I wanted to come back here too is because there are a few changes happening in my life. Well, one major one actually. So I am going to be moving very soon, in a couple of weeks actually, and I am going to be moving with my longtime boyfriend. It's the first time we're going to be living together, and it is in this amazing apartment in my dream neighborhood. And I'm still pinching myself at the fact that I'm going to be able to live in that neighborhood. So yeah, it's always been a dream of mine to live there. So I can't wait to document it, and as soon as I get the keys to the new place, I'm definitely going to be doing an apartment tour and going to be documenting the process of decorating it. And my plan is to post a weekly video. I think that I want to film weekly vlogs. I'm not too sure on the format that I'm planning to do, but if you're going to start this week's video with this life update, and also I think I'm gonna film like a little weekly vlog as well of my week. If you guys also have any recommendations of what kind of videos you'd like to see, don't hesitate to post down below. So yeah, cue in my weekly vlog right now. Hey guys, so it is Thursday today. Tomorrow I am picking up the keys with Patrick to our new place, and so I thought I would start the moving vlog here. I'm still at my old place and it is extremely chaotic here. I don't have any like moving tips for you guys besides try to be more organized than I am, because this is just like all over the place. My sister is actually, well, my brother-in-law actually, he's coming over to pick up some furnitures that I don't really want to keep, and they just bought a new house, so they were looking into more pieces, more furnitures, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to also document this time because I wanted to show you guys my old apartment, and I wish I could show you guys the place in a better condition, but it is what it is. I'm only back on YouTube now, so I'll give you guys a quick little tour of my old apartment. Like I said, it's chaotic. It doesn't look the greatest right now. It's full of boxes, but for memory's sake, I will show you guys how it looks like. Alright, so I am just standing by the door. This is like the entrance door to my place. And when you enter, you have like this, I guess this room, it's supposed to be the dining room. I have no idea what it's really supposed to be, but we use it as a dining room for the longest time. So we used to have like my dining table over here, and as you can see, I just have like boxes all over the place. And yeah, my kitchen is a teeny tiny kitchen, very old as well, but it was functional. The light is actually off, and I couldn't be bothered to change it just because I knew I was moving. But you have your standard fridge over here. I like to call this my closet kitchen because it was so tiny. And yeah, also a mess because we are moving and we're just in the process of getting some stuff removed. I'm trying to empty out the cupboards. And then yeah, we're back here in this dining room entrance, and I have some, like I said, boxes, my little trolley thing. And yeah, so then when you enter, this is the living room, and as you guys can see, my couch is taken apart because my sister, I don't know why I keep saying my sister, but my brother-in-law is coming over to pick up this couch, so I just took it apart. It usually hooks together, but this is the living room. My dining table is upside down because they are picking that up as well. And then you have more of the living room. I still have a little like poster that I need to remove, well, I guess art frame. And then you have the living room over here. And it's just so chaotic. I mean, I wish I did an apartment tour before I like created this disaster. But then you have the balcony over here, and I have yet to take my balcony stuff apart. It is the end of October actually, and I still haven't even emptied out. And I have a really nice view. Like if you look closely over here, you could see l'Oratoire Saint-Joseph, which is like a monument in, it's a big church in Montreal, and it's a very touristic spot. This is the balcony. It's not in the best condition, which is why I never really used it, but it had a great view, and I really do need to take this apart because, like I said, I'm picking up the keys tomorrow. So yeah, I better get on that, and I just have more boxes. And then, oops, I have the internet over here. And then there's trash cans all over the place. And then you have the hallway over here. Had a little like coat closet over here. And then you have a bathroom over here. This is my sister's bathroom. Nothing too interesting. I mean, it's a standard bathroom. And then you had like a linen closet. We kind of use this as just an everything closet. I have a vacuum that I need to throw, and this is my bedroom. I'm just gonna close my laptop. Nothing sexier. And I'm so sorry for this gigantic mess because like I said, I'm moving, so it's just disorganized. I have my big bed over here, my desk. It's just chaos, but I wanted to be real with you guys. This is the situation when you're moving, how it looks like. And I had a pretty big room. Like, I think the room that we're moving into is like half the size. So yeah, I decluttered so much, and I still have so much crap. It's crazy. So yeah, this is my bedroom, and then I have my little vanity area over here. Like I said, I'm gonna be real. I was gonna clean this up, but I'm like, why? Because this is the real thing. This is how it is when you're moving. This is the closet that, as you guys can see, I pretty much took everything apart. And then my bathroom is over there. I'm really not gonna go in there because it's a mess. It's even more of a mess. It's me over here. And then, yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, that is the tour of my old place. Like I said, I wanted to keep things real with you guys and show you guys how this looks like. So this is the messiest my place has ever been, and it is giving me a little bit of anxiety, actually a lot of anxiety, because I hate clutter, I hate mess, but when you're moving, it's inevitable, you know, things pile up, and it is just that. So I'm about to head off to Pharmaprix right now because I need to return a package. I ordered like a Brita filter on Amazon and it came broken, and that's unfortunate because now I have to like get a new one and I can't ship it here anymore because I'm moving tomorrow. So yeah, probably just gonna have to go to the store. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we pick up the keys. So I know I said bye earlier, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my place. So as you can see, let me just switch to camera. So as you can see, the couch is gone now and the table is taken apart. And oh my god, it's a little bit echoey here already, but yeah, progress.